Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, worldmonitor, a project that skyrocketed with over 4,000 stars just today. This real-time global intelligence dashboard uses AI to aggregate news, monitor geopolitical events, and track infrastructure, putting a powerful situational awareness tool right at your fingertips. Imagine a single dashboard that gives you a real-time AI-powered view of the entire planet, something that tracks everything from geopolitical news and financial markets all the way to global infrastructure. Now, this isn't some secret tool from a spy movie. It's an open-source project that has absolutely exploded in popularity, and it's definitely one to watch. The project is called worldmonitor, and it was created by a developer known as Koala73. At its heart, it's a real-time global intelligence dashboard written entirely in TypeScript. The project's growth has been nothing short of incredible. It's already racked up over 69,000 stars on GitHub, with a staggering 4,000 of those added in just one day. That kind of velocity signals that worldmonitor is solving a major problem for developers and analysts everywhere. So, what problem is it solving? Well, professionals today are drowning in a sea of fragmented information. Think about geopolitical analysts, financial traders, or journalists. They have to sift through hundreds of scattered sources, constantly struggling to connect the dots. Before a project like worldmonitor, their only options were expensive enterprise software or a messy collection of custom scripts. What makes this project different is its unique angle. It doesn't just pull data together. It uses AI to synthesize, analyze, and visualize that data. It transforms a simple dashboard into a unified command center, turning raw information into truly actionable intelligence. Diving into the tech, worldmonitor is built on a hybrid AI architecture. This gives users a critical choice. They can run AI models locally for maximum privacy and offline use, using a tool called Llama. Or they can tap into powerful cloud-based AI services. That flexibility is a brilliant design decision. The project's entire technical backbone is API first, using protocol buffers. The best way to think of protocol buffers is as a universal translator for software. It ensures that all the different components can communicate efficiently and safely. This clean API design is also what allows the project to offer official software development kits, or SDKs, for Python, Go, and Ruby. Now for the visuals. worldmonitor masterfully combines two powerful libraries. It uses Glow, for that stunning, interactive three-dimensional Earth view, and Glow for highly detailed two-dimensional map layers. This dual-engine approach makes it possible to smoothly render complex, overlapping datasets, everything from commercial flight paths to military movements. And to top it all off, the desktop app uses Tari 2. This modern framework gives you the best of both worlds, a secure backend written in Rust paired with a lightweight web-based frontend. The result is a high-performance native app that runs beautifully on Windows, macOS, and Linux. So, the real-world applications here are vast and incredibly practical. A geopolitical analyst could use it to monitor conflict zones in real time. A financial trader could switch to the specialized finance version to track 29 different global stock exchanges. For developers, they can easily integrate these rich data streams into their own apps using the well-documented REST API or the SDKs. And for the average user? Getting started is as simple as visiting the project's website or downloading the desktop app. The project even comes in 6 different themed versions, from the main global view to specific dashboards for tech, finance, and energy. The community reception has been overwhelmingly positive. Many are calling it a powerful open-source alternative to expensive enterprise intelligence platforms. In fact, some have even nicknamed it an open-source Palantir, which is a direct reference to the powerful and sometimes controversial data analytics company. That comparison really highlights two things: the project's impressive capabilities, but also the ethical questions that come with such powerful monitoring tools. On a more practical note, the project's AGPL license has also sparked some discussion, with developers pointing out its limitations for commercial use. But despite all its power, worldmonitor does face some significant challenges. First, its complexity is a double-edged sword. Managing a single codebase that powers 6 web versions, a desktop app, and multiple SDKs creates a very high barrier for new contributors to jump in. Second, the project relies on over 65 external APIs. This makes it vulnerable. If any of those upstream services change or go down, it could break things. And finally, the heavy use of advanced graphics and browser-side AI means it might struggle on less powerful machines. This could create performance issues and ultimately limit who can access it. In the end, worldmonitor is far more than just another data visualization tool. It's a full-fledged open-source intelligence platform. It democratizes a level of situational awareness that was once reserved only for large corporations and governments. This makes it a landmark project, one that is truly defining the cutting edge of open-source intelligence.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.